So what's that running at then? That's so quiet.
£40.
Alright. Actually, I don't know if that's getting proper light to see it.
That's it really open. Now these are the cranks. The valve cranks are the most important bits. Look at that, eh? How beautiful.
Yeah.
Eh?
That's just running a treat, isn't it?
If you could video that bit in there, the valve cranks moving up and down.
Yeah. Okay. And is that one reverse?
No.
No.
No. Very difficult to make it reverse. Because I'll show you the difficult part in making it reverse. The difficult part making it reverse is this part here.
Oh, okay.
And that's sweet.
It is. Yeah.